So this streak right here, radix solaris, hits the hypothalamus and the equilibrium center of the brain. Okay, so hypothalamus is what's used for sensory information coming from the outside world into the brain. It also controls the thyroid as well. And this dark line right here hits the heart. Okay, so I would use a circulation tincture right here. Okay, to strengthen this part. The lungs are also right here. There's the upper and lower lung region, also consisted of mucus as well. You can see you have nerve rings going around the eye. Those rings going around. Those means you have weak adrenals, weak nervous system. You can see also those white dots going around. That's called lymphatic rosary. Indicates your lymphatic system, your lymph nodes are stagnant or moving to the swollen side. This right here hits the left hand and arm region as well as the spleen. The spleen is the main organ that cleans the blood. So you want that in good working order. I would use a lymphatic spleen tincture. This line right here hits the adrenals and the kidneys. Okay, you can see it's chronic, and that's why you have the nerve rings for weak adrenals. The lymphatic stagnation. When you see this color right here, this is lymph stagnation. Okay, indicates that your kidneys are not filtering out waste properly. So I'll use the kidney tea, kidney tincture. I'll use adrenal glandular, adrenal tincture because you do have weakened nervous system. Okay, that's from adrenals. If you look closely right here, this line here hits the thyroid. Okay, severe hits thyroid. You have a very thick skin. You see that dark ring going around. That's the thyroid. That's due to a thyroid and also weak filtering kidneys. Okay, so we need to strengthen the thyroid. Use the thyroid lift tincture, use the kidney tea and the kidney tincture as well to strengthen this. And this line right here hits the scapula and the upper back region. Again, it's consisted of mucus and acids. This needs to be cleaned out. Very present are the bowels. All here, there's ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. The bowels are chronic. You have chronic bowels. Use the bowel strength tincture and the bowel cleanser to cleanse it. Okay. The dark line around there is mucus plaque in the small intestines. You're malabsorbed. You need to use the cleanser and 100% fruit diet to help remove this. Take a bit of time though. The yellow and the orange you see here, that's potential sulfur and candida, and this needs to be addressed. Use the antimicrobial tincture and the parasite herbs to help strengthen these parts. Overall, this eye needs a lot of work because this is quite deep set. The lymph stagnation, this subacute lymph stagnation, moving to the chronic side, it needs help. You need to use lymph herbs, adrenal herbs, kidney herbs, endocrine herbs, and bowel herbs to cleanse this up and give a bit of time because the body is highly acidic. You can see the red blood vessels here shows high acidosis as well.